Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you some tricks, 9 times table in an easy way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start from 0 here. First digit of the answer, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going backwards, again starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's all. We finished the 9 times table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27 and so on. So this is an easy trick, easy way to remember 9 times table. Now I'm going to show how to multiply any single digit number by series of 9. As you know, series of 9, that means 999, 999, noun is on 999 and so on. So very simple. It will take only 2 to 3 seconds to complete each question. I'll show you the first one. Let's take 99 times 7. Now you know the basic times table which I have shown in the other whiteboard. What you have to write, multiply this 7 by a single 9. 9 sevens are 63. So write here and the final digit. First digit is 6, final digit is 3 because 9 sevens are 63. Now count the number of 9s. There are 2 9s. So deduct 1. You have to write a single 9 in the middle. This is the answer. So if it is 2 9, you are going to write 1 9 in the middle. That's it. Okay, let's do some more. Multiply 99 by 8. 8 9s are 72 and there are 2 9s, write only single 9 in the middle. If you want, you can check with your calculator. 99 times 8, 792, correct. Now 99 times 9. 9 9s are 81, write 8 here, 1 here and there are 2 9s, fill single 9 in the middle. These are all the answers. Is it not so simple? Okay. Now, not only 99, as I mentioned, it is possible even with any number of 9s, series of 9. I'll show you here. 999 times 6. Let's take 6. Now, what is 6 9s are? 54. Write 5 here and 4 as the final digit of the answer. How many 9s in the question? There are 3 9s. So I should write 2 9s in the middle and that will be the answer. 5994 is the answer when you multiply 999 by 6. Let's do some more. 999 by 5. Easy again. 9 5s are 45. Write 5 here as the first digit. 4 and 5 here because 9 5s are 45. How many 9s? 3 9s. So fill it with 2 9s in the middle. So 4995 is the answer. So this trick really works with any series of 9. And also we can able to finish it within 2 seconds. Now 9999, we are increasing the number of 9s. Multiply that with maybe 4. Okay, now what is 9 4s are 4 9s? From the table we know very well it is 36. Write 3 here and 6 here. How many 9s? 4 9s. Write 3 9s in the middle. That's all. So 39,996 is the answer. Do you find it easy and simple? Yes, it's really quick. Let's do some more. I'll show you with 4 9s. Okay, this time let's try with 6. Now, what is 9 6 are? 9 6 are 54. 5 is the first digit of the answer. 4 is the final digit. How many 9s? 4 9s. So fill 3 9s in the middle. Right? 3 9s. That's all. So 59,994 is the final answer. Let's do some more with more 9s. 5 9s and 8. 9 8s are 72. Write 7 here and 2 here. How many 9s? 5 9s. So let's fill the middle digits with 4 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. This is the answer. So this is really quick and faster than even calculator. I hope you agree with me. So 799992 is the answer. Let's increase the number of 9s. As I said, it works for any number of 9s or any series of 9. 6 9s this time. Let me multiply by 9. Now 9 9s are 81. 8 here, 1 here, and the number of 9s in the question 6. There will be 5 9s here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. This is the answer. 8,999,991. Now let me increase the number of 9s. It can be any number. And this trick you can follow for when you multiply the series of 9 by a single digit. Now 9 times 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 here, 7 here. Now let me count the number of 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 9s are there in the question. So I should fill the middle digits by 8 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's all. Such a big answer. We got it in 2 seconds. Really quick and faster than calculator. Okay, we will do one last question. As I said, this trick will work with any number of 9s, doesn't matter, times 7 this time. Now easy. 9 7s are 63. Write 6 here and 3 here. How many 9s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I should add 10 9s in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So such a big number we got within 1 or 2 seconds. I hope you understood this trick and you find this really easy and simple. Next video, I am going to show how to multiply with 2 digit, 3 digit and more than that. 9, series of 9, how to multiply with 2 digits, 3 digits and so on. And that is also going to be really quick and you will understand well. Okay students, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share it with your friends so that they will also know this trick. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.